Hi guys, here's Carolina, your world history teacher, and this is your final project documentary. Your assignment, every student has to create an illustrated timeline that shows the history of humankind from prehistory to the French Revolution by creating a movie or video of all the units covered in class. The work is to be done in groups of 2. Your timeline documentary can be filmed, created with a movie software from your computer, created with PowerPoint, and then transformed into a movie or simulate a newscast. The length will depend on your format, but it should not be longer than 15 minutes. Use your time wisely. The entire documentary needs to have sound, either narration, music, or both. Each time period must be well represented. The objective of the project, you have to demonstrate what you have learned during the 2 semesters by assessing significant turning points in the history of the world from prehistory to the French Revolution, including the development of distinctive forms of political, social, and economic organizations, identifying major discoveries, inventions, and scientific achievements, identifying achievements in art, architecture, literature, and philosophy, explaining historical developments of major belief systems, and identifying challenges that humans have faced in the ecological, economic, political, and other spheres of life. That's a lot of stuff, but it's all covered during class and during your research. Process. This project follows a process, and all of the steps are equally important as the final product. Use the checklist to guide you during the process of creating your video documentary. You can add more elements if you wish to do so. Pay attention to what you are creating and what you are learning along the way. Showcase it. Problem identification. You know the topic, but how are you going to document it? Pictures, photos, videos, presentation, reenactments. You can mix and match too. If you like video games such as Civilization, use it. If you like Minecraft and you have it available, use it too. Whichever you want to use, doesn't matter. Planning and gathering. After you have decided what format to use, brainstorm how you will be presenting the information. Start gathering links, lectures, and your own notes. Discuss with your partner how the work will be distributed. Communication. This is key. You need to be communicating with your partner constantly. I know that it's hard to meet after school, so it is essential that you find ways to communicate either through Skype, FaceTime, or whatever means you need. Keep track of your progress and write down questions for when we meet. Reflection, this should be ongoing. Keep in mind what you have learned and how you would like to teach it to others. Understand not just what conclusions and thoughts you have acquired, but also what thoughts process you use to reach those conclusions and thoughts. Presentation, you will be sharing and teaching what you have learned with the community through your documentary. Don't assume anything and be as specific as you want to. Assessment, you will be assessed on a regular basis as you progress through your project. I will be evaluating you on participation, dedication, effort, and use of time. But the judges will be evaluating your documentary as a teaching tool, and this will be other teachers from other departments. Evaluation, this is the rubric I will use to evaluate your documentary. Keep the criteria in mind, but don't stress over the grade. I want you to show what you have learned. Have fun. And this is the rubric. And it will include content length, research information, category connection, creativity, graphics, organization, audio, and to turn it on time. Just make sure that you have fun. That's the most important thing, that you have fun and you showcase what you like, and how you like to do it and what you have learned. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.